to just like that. All right. Yeah, put some cayenne pepper. I'll just put the rest in it. Done. Just like this. Yeah. Yeah, man. So with the cayenne pepper, wow, very strong. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Very spicy.